G'day there, I'm Dingo Pete and welcome to my kitchen. When you come to my kitchen, you're going to learn how to cook some beautiful and delicious food that is just so easy anybody can do it. And it's not going to cost you the earth either. Tonight what I'm doing for you is what I call Dingo's Greek chicken. I don't know what else to call it. It's got some Greek characteristics to it. The beautiful thing about Greek food though is the way the Greek people share it with each other. Food for the Greeks is an absolute social experience. So get in with this, get your mates around, cook it up, they'll be very, very impressed and you'll be delighted with the outcome. Wow, that was amazing. That was absolutely amazing. I loved every bite of that dish. It was beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. All of those flavours in together, and it was pretty easy to do as you saw. Anybody can cook that. That's fantastic. So what I'd like you to do is get your mates around and cook that up for them. Fantastic. Have it with a glass of wine, very nice. You have no need to put any other food with it. It's a complete meal all unto itself. Please, if you like what I saw, tell your friends about it and subscribe to my channel, and next week I'll have something else for you. Thank you very much.